Hello, Ali. How are you? Are you lost?
Of course I'm lost. Look at this house. How do you not get lost?
Let me buy you this drink.
This is for me?
Yes, it's a margarita.
Perfect.
Welcome to La Vida Dulce.
Thank
Let
you.
me show you the house.
Wow. Feels like the whole beach is ours.
Yes, almost private.
It's unbelievable.
We are in Casa La Vida Dulce. We are located in one of the largest bay in Latin America. La Vida Dulce was built 16 years ago. This view is incredible. We have the Marietas Island, which is a national park underwater where people like to do a snorkel and diving too.
I mean, from the moment you walk into the house, you see the bay in the background. You see the water, you see the waves immediately from the time you walk in.
Yes, you are almost in the ocean from the infinity pool.
This is where I would be the entire trip, right? I'm gonna be sitting out here, maybe in the Palapa, jumping into the pool, taking a kayak, going out to the water. This is really extraordinary. Can you tell me a little bit about the style of the house?
Yes, if you see from the front, you can see that this is a house like a Mexican hacienda. All the interiors are with colonial furniture, Mexican, which is perfect.
And there are all these really approachable, beachy details. It's elevated, but it's not stuffy.
That's right.
You can just relax and enjoy it and not worry that you're gonna break something.
You have both things. You're on the beach and you're in hacienda.
Alex, tell me about these rooms. Where am I gonna stay? Where am I sleeping?
The master bedroom number 1 with ocean view, balcony, and really private with your private jacuzzi, which is with a beautiful view of the bay.
I love a jacuzzi.
We have a capacity for 20 to 24 people.
Wow.
We have 5 more bedrooms with king-size bed and 3 double beds.
This is a perfect home for kids too, because you have plenty of rooms with the double beds with the 2 queens.
That's right.
But what really I think the kids are gonna love is how many activities there are. Everyone can come here.
Everyone can come here. And you have a private service, a full staff service with our chef. He has 16 years with us. He's really, really good in the Mexican food and also seafood. Also, we have a bartender, housekeeper, nanny service. Myself, I'm here 24 hours for any request, all the service right at the moment.
This is not just a home to stay in. This is a resort.
That's right.
That's what it is.
It's a small private resort.
And I'm just even looking around for the kids. I see hammocks, kayaks, lawn games with cornhole, the rope that you swing from.
Yes, that's one of the attraction of the house.
You got surfboards, you have the basketball by the pool. And is it true there's a movie theater on the grounds?
That's right. We have a beautiful movie theater on the ground.
Yes.
With capacity for like 20 to 25 people.
Incredible.
Something that I love of the house, you can see the whales from the Palapa swimming in the front of the house, which is beautiful.
You're telling me that I can sit out here, drink my margarita, and I think there's a whale right there. I'm not kidding.
Probably that one is the first one.
I mean, I'm literally looking at whales.
Having your breakfast in the morning, you can see dolphins sometimes, but for sure, whales.
That's amazing. The life here is sweet at Casa La Vida Dulce.
That's right.
It really feels extremely private. You have the pool right here and then you go straight up. I mean, this is 10 steps to the water. This is truly white, pristine beach. It is gorgeous. I can't wait to go explore it. How about this? I'm gonna go explore and then why don't we meet up and maybe try some of that chef's food that you were talking about.
Of course. And we will prepare something special for you.
Thank you, Alex. Adios.
Adios.
Hasta luego.
Hasta la vista.